Hello, everybody. This is Dr. Vani, and on behalf of Vedantu, I welcome you all to today's super cool, super awesome, and absolutely amazing session. But before we begin, my dear kids, it's a humble request from a baby channel of Vedantu, जो भी सिर्फ 7 months पहले ही शुरू हुआ है आपकी बायो रिलेटेड सारी क्वेरीज के लिए. वी वुड लाइक कि आप लोग हमारे चैनल को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए बच्चों. दैट गिव्स अस द अटेंशन, द लव एंड यू नो द फीडबैक कि हम आपके लिए और अमेजिंग कॉन्सेप्ट्स रोल करके लेकर आए. सो मेक श्योर माय डियर चिल्ड्रन दैट ऑल ऑफ यू सेंड अप द थम्स अप विद लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब. प्लीज डू दैट. वी रियली वुड लव योर feedback and appreciation back. बच्चों, वी हैव अ सुपर से भी ऊपर अमेजिंग टेलीग्राम ग्रुप एंड आवर टेलीग्राम ग्रुप is 30,000 members strong already. We're going to be touching 35,000 soon. Can you imagine? So make sure daily quizzes होती है, वानी मैम वहाँ पे मोटिवेशन करती है, आप लोगों से इंटरैक्ट करती है, all of this and much more. So please guys, make sure that you like, you share and you subscribe to our super duper amazing telegram group also. Right? उसको प्लीज Vedantu_biotonic उसका नाम है. टेलीग्राम ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए ऐप स्टोर से और बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ अ टेलीग्राम ग्रुप. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, यू ऑल हैव बीन आस्किंग अस फॉर टेस्ट सीरीज कि आपको बहुत सारे टेस्ट देने हैं. यू हैव रियली बीन आस्किंग अस फॉर क्रैश कोर्स बिकॉज आपको फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायो ऑल अंडर वन रूफ लाइव क्लासेस से पढ़ना है ज्यादा से ज्यादा. सो वी हैव अ सुपर अमेजिंग क्रैश कोर्स एंड इफ यू यूज वानी मैम का कोड जिसका कोड है VD ये क्रैश कोर्स विच इज अवेलेबल फॉर क्लोज टू 24,000 रुपीज बिकम्स अवेलेबल जस्ट फॉर ₹5,999. सो VD कोड लगाइए फॉर द क्रैश कोर्स और आ जाइए. और अगर आपको टेस्ट सीरीज देनी है तो VD टेस्ट राइट VDNT.in/VD टेस्ट पे जाना है. और अगर आपको क्रैश कोर्स लेना है VDNT.in/NEET क्रैश कोर्स पे जाइए, लगाइए कोड एंड बिना कोड के मत लीजिए बिकॉज इट्स वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. कोड लगाकर आ जाइए. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं आज का सुपर अमेजिंग टॉपिक. तो चलो बच्चों स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा एंड एक्सट्रीमली लाइक ईजी टू लर्न, बहुत प्यार से आपके लिए बनाया गया लेक्चर ऑन निमोनिक्स. दीज निमोनिक्स विल नॉट ओनली हेल्प यू आंसर ऑल द क्वेश्चंस इन नीट but they will also help you to easily remember all these things. So without any further delay, let's start today's super amazing lecture on mnemonics. Chalo.
Look at this. Open your copy, paper, pen and start writing every word that I'm telling you down. Mnemonic. Sonu ki, enu ki, sweetie. Yes, that's the mnemonic. Can you imagine? चलिए हंसिए, गिड़गड़ाइए और लिखिए. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सोनू की, इनू की, स्वीटी. Mnemonics are on animal kingdom. We are doing the non-chordata part of animal kingdom today. Right? Animal kingdom जो आपको बहुत मुश्किल लगती है. I want everybody is smiling. And ये mnemonics बिल्कुल homemade Vedantu Biotonic की laboratory produced mnemonics हैं. So you're not going to find them anywhere. They are handmade at our Vedantu Biotonic laboratory. Sonu ki, inu ki, sweetie is the mnemonic. Like this shining star is a biotonic. Phylum Porifera, we are doing non-chordates in today's class. Sonu ki, inu ki, sweetie. Right? So Sonu Psychon example. This is a very important MCQ. It comes in exams again and again. Right? So it comes in exams again and again. If you're even preparing for KVPY, it's very important. Sonu Psychon, Inu Euspongia, very important. One second. Euspongia, very important. And Sweetie is Spongilla. So this is Psychon, Skypha, Euspongia, bath sponge. It's an MCQ question. Write it down. Euspongia, bath sponge is an MCQ question. Right? Okay. MCQ. Spongilla is a fresh water sponge. MCQ. So 1, 2. Skypha example. MCQ 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 MCQs in one class. Done? Yes. Done everybody. You want mnemonic number 2? Should we have mnemonic number 2? Come on, I want a like on the video before mnemonic number 2 fast. Take screenshots. Take screenshots of mnemonic number 2 on the screen. Now, phylum Coelenterata का mnemonic. Coelenterata का mnemonic क्या है? फिजिक्स ऑब्जेक्टिव एग्जाम्स में एडम और जॉर्ज ने पेन हाइड किया. क्यों हाइड किया? क्योंकि उनको फिजिक्स नहीं आती थी. दे डोंट नो फिजिक्स. दे वर लाइक मी, really bad with physics and maths. So Adam and George were like your Vani ma'am. They don't know physics, so they had to hide the pen. Is it clear, everybody? So physics objective exams में Adam और George ने pen hide किया. Is the mnemonic. Number 2, physics objective Physalia, Obelia में Meandrina, Adam, Adamasia or Aurelia. See, so easy. Adam, Adamasia, Aurelia, Gorgonia, Peninsula, Hydra, Hydra. Physics, Physalia, objective, Obelia, Meandrina, Adamasia, Aurelia, Gorgonia, Peninsula, Hydra. Very, very, very important for KVPY, NEET, AIMS, JIPMER. Yes? Is it clear? Very, 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 very important from MCQ point of view. Is it clear? So, in your MCQs, Peninsula is an example of Coelenterata. Obelia is an example of Coelenterata. Gorgonia, no need to remember. Gorgonia is an example of Coelenterata. Is it clear? Is it clear? Physics objective exam में physics Physalia, objective Obelia, में Meandrina, Adamasia, Aurelia, Gorgonia, Peninsula, Hydra. Any doubts? Please, if you like the hard work that we are putting in for you, you have to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Yes, so this is Gorgonia. It's also known as CFAN MCQ question. Obelia, Meandrina or brain collar, Adamasia, sea anemone, Aurelia or jellyfish, Physalia is Portuguese man of war. Very, very, very important. Harsh Dikshit, this is for KVPY. Peninsula is sea pen, and there you have Hydra. So let's move on to the next one. Priyanka Chopra. Everybody likes Priyanka Chopra. This is the easiest. Priyanka Chopra. Priyanka Pleurobrachia, Stenophora, PC, easy. PDF में मिल जाएगा, don't worry about that. So Stenophora is sea walnuts or coombe jellies. ये exam में बहुत आता है. It's very important from exam. Sea walnut or coombe jellies is Stenophora. Very, 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 very important from the exam. 2 MCQs direct from the exam. Very important. Pleurobrachia, Stenophora, Priyanka Chopra. Pleurobrachia, Stenophora, PC, Priyanka Chopra, Stenophora. Pleurobrachia, Stenophora. Prem Chopra, villain of Bollywood. We can say that also. Manish says Prem Chopra. Prem Chopra, yes, they have a, can you see how they're shining? Can you see how they're shining? They also exhibit property of bioluminescence. Yes, everybody. Next one, phylum Platyhelminthes, flatworms. तीनों की planning fail हुई. तीनों की planning was there that they will run away from the maths class and attend the bio class. They were making big plans of running away from the maths class and attending the bio class, but the maths teacher caught them. So तीनों की planning fail हुई. तीनों is tinea, planning, planaria, fail is fasciola. They are all platyhelminthes. Tinea tapeworm. Tinea solium is pork tapeworm. Tinea saginata is beef tapeworm. You should remember this. Tinea solium is your pork tapeworm. Tinea saginata is your beef tapeworm. Then you have planaria, also known as Dugacia, and fasciola hepatica, liver fluke. Vedantu ki planning successful and Tiro ki planning fail. Simple. Yes, everybody, let's move on to the next one. So, okay, in the comment section, agar aap sare comments mein likhoge, if I get more than 100 comments, I'm going to do mnemonics too. If I don't get 100 comments, I'm not going to do mnemonics too. So, in the comment section, you have to write whether you enjoyed the class or not, whether I should be doing mnemonics too or not. Right? Next one. So, Priyanka Chopra, तीनों की planning fail हुई. Avengers and Ant-Man went to Wakanada. How cool is this? Avengers and Ant-Man went to Wakanada. Yes or no? Not in these comments, those comments. Avengers and Ant-Man went to Wakanada. Avengers, this is Ascahelminthes. These are roundworms. Avengers is Ascaris. Ant-Man is Ankylostoma. And Wakanada is Wuchereria bancrofti. Yes, Pratiksha, easy to remember. Avengers and Ant-Man went to Wakanada. Wakanada is Wuchereria bancrofti, filarial worms. Elephantiasis causes elephantiasis. Hookworm and Ascaris is roundworm, causes ascariasis. They are all Ascahelminthes. तीनों की प्लानिंग फेल हुई. Avengers and Ant-Man went to Wakanada. Prime Minister Narendra Modi हिंदुस्तान की शान है. So, this is Annalida. What is this? Annalida. Prime Minister is Ferretima. Narendra is Nereis. Hindustan is Hirudinaria. PNH. PNH. Prime Minister Narendra Modi Hindustan की शान है. Annalida. Annalida. Yes, everybody. So Prime Minister is Ferretima, Narendra is Nereis, Hindustan is Hirudin. क्या बनाता है? Hirudin. Hirudin is anticoagulant, does not allow the blood to clot. Nereis and Ferretima is earthworm. Any doubts? Whew. Any doubts? So we did Avisha. Land on me. Okay. I'm coming to you. Okay. I'm very small than you. Okay. Let's from zygote. Okay. Wait for me. I'm coming. Okay. What else? मुझे तुमसे प्यार हो गया. ओके मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. डॉक्टर फॉरेंसिक बहुत आसान है. क्या कहा? आई लाइक योर स्टाइल. यस और नो? आई मिस द यस. हाउ इजी इज दिस? आई लाइक योर स्टाइल. Yes. One last one. What room has no floors, no ceilings and no walls? What room has no floors, no ceiling and no wall? Come on. Nice, no, Paulani? What room has... Come on. Daksh, no problem. See it again. Fast. And we're done for the day. What room has no floors, no ceiling and no walls? Mycoplasma? Is mycoplasma a room? Mushroom. Yeah. Mushroom. Flat room. Flat. Yes. So with that, we come to the end of this amazing, super cool session. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I always enjoy taking your sessions. If you really liked our video, I would sincerely wish that you please press the bell icon and like, share and subscribe to our videos because it will mean a lot. If you really enjoyed this video, please share this video. Thank you so much. Bye guys. See you. Bye bye.